Hey football fans, Steve here with this week's college football forecast. On Monday night, number 1 Michigan will face number 2 Washington for the 2024 National Championship game in Houston, Texas at NRG Stadium. Take a look at the forecast map here at 12 p.m. Central Time on Monday. A strong low pressure system will have moved into the Texas Panhandle with trailing a occluded front here, as well as a warm front pushing into the Sabine River Valley, and a cold front also pushing into East Texas. That's going to be the main concern. Is out ahead of this, very strong windy conditions and chances for some showers and thunderstorms there throughout much of the afternoon, right along the East Texas coast. Jumping ahead to 6 p.m. local time, that cold front will push its way all the way into Louisiana, and with it, it's also some additional chances for a very strong line of thunderstorms expected to push through the Houston metro area just before game time. And just to emphasize the severe threat a little bit more here, the Storm Prediction Center does have a slight risk for severe weather out, expected to affect mainly the East Texas coast as well as much of the Gulf Coast, including the Houston metro area, as this cold front approaches the area. Main hazards here, according to the National Weather Service office in Houston Galveston, is strong winds are going to be the primary concern, and some stronger storms could produce some hail. Some isolated tornadoes are also possible there. The bottom line is going to be some dangerous conditions there through late afternoon and into early evening, right around the start of the game. So for your game day forecast for the national championship game, expecting a daytime high temperature of 72 degrees with a kickoff temperature of about 62 degrees there right after that front goes through. And of course, as we mentioned this before, a line of thunderstorms is likely to occur in the Houston metro area sometime between about 4 and 6 p.m. That's going to be right around the time then people are going to be lining up outside the doors to get into the stadium. Fortunately, it's an indoor venue, but if you're outside when weather happens to hit, you will need to seek shelter immediately. So we're going to go with low to medium chances there for rain, mainly for the outdoor time there, just getting into the stadium, and a medium to high there for lightning. It does look pretty high that we're going to be seeing thunderstorms occurring there, even if only for a short period there in the 1 to 2 hours leading up to the game. Strong winds, about 25 to 35 miles per hour, even ahead of any thunderstorms that occur. Could see some gusts over 40, and of course, any storms that hit could produce possible gusts there over 60 miles per hour. So going to be kind of hazardous out there if you're going to be outside. If you need to wait to get into the stadium until the weather passes, please do so. There are options there in the area. If you need to seek shelter, restaurants, bars, hotels, whatever. Just take shelter as needed before going into the game if you happen to be trapped outside as the weather is approaching.
As always, any weather reports or feedback are welcome, so if you're going to be attending the game tomorrow or just happen to be in the local area, please feel free to share any pictures or video that you have of the weather conditions around there. Have fun, stay safe, go blue, and go Cyclones!